Magandang araw sa inyong lahat from PIT, COT, BTPTED, BS NTREP, and isang ECE. Okay, so I am Mr. Virgilio Barcena. Alam ko na medyo anxious kayo dahil wala pa kayong klase sa PE Pathbit 4. So ako nga po ang mag-handle ng inyong PE Pathbit 4. I am again Mr. Virgilio Barcena, and just people call me Sir Deck. Okay, so alam natin na meron tayong kakulangan sa mga guro. Okay, and maski naman ako ay nagdo-double loading, and at the same time as the new designated PE coordinator for the PE department, I've taken upon myself, okay, to handle etong mga klase, kayong mga klase or sections na wala pa pong instructor. So, in PE Pathbit 4, okay, yung PE Pathbit 3 ninyo, siguro yung iba ay sports, yung iba ay dancing. Under sa akin po, will be more on martial arts, particularly Taekwondo as a sport. Okay? Siguro nakikita ninyo yung mga nagsisipa dun sa open field, kami yun. So, ganun po ang target natin. But, hindi po kayo talaga ititrain. Okay? Ituturo lang sa inyo yung mga basic movements, and you must be able to, perform sa at least the basic form. Hindi yung pinaka expert na kayo dapat. At least, okay, pag may sinabi ako, eto ang dapat yung gawin, you have to be able to perform it. Now, ano ba ang target natin dito? So, ang magiging klase ninyo ay asynchronous. Meaning, all the lessons, okay, will be via video. Okay, via video lesson. Okay, mag-alala dahil andun ako sa video, ako mismo yung nagdi-discuss, as in parang ako yung live, okay, in class na may discussion tayo. Outputs will always be online. Okay, whether that's the quizzes, activities, yung mga video na ipapagawa ko sa inyo, lahat yun ay online ninyo isasubmit via email. I will be giving you, okay, specifics kapag kada activity na gagawin ninyo. So, gaya na nabanggit ko kanina, hindi naman kayo exactly ititrain. This is Taekwondo as a sport. So, ang focus natin dito is you are to be aware of the principles, the guidelines, okay? Ano ba yung mga policies, okay? At saka mga rulings with regards to performing Taekwondo as a sport. So, anong mga pag-aaralan natin? You have your principles of belt ranking para na alam ko na nakikita ninyo may mga naririnig kayong yellow belter, black belter, green belter. So you will be able to understand the different principles of belt ranking. Now, as a student taking on at least the foundation of Taekwondo, pag-aaralan ninyo ang principles and ethics of a Taekwondo student. Then you have to understand, okay, pag syempre sa sport, nakikita ninyo yung mga iba't silang damit. You have to understand, okay, what are the different gears and equipment that you will need if you will be performing Taekwondo as a sport. Then, paano ba nananalo sa Taekwondo? Paano yung point system? So, each movement has a particular point. Okay, nasa discussion yun, nasa video discussion yun. At kung nadadagdagan kayo ng points, nababawasan din kayo ng points. That's called a penalty point. Now, kada week, okay, meron kayong sasagutan na quiz, at the same time, may i-perform kayo na movements na i-video ninyo ang sarili ninyo performing those movements. Now, I will require you to perform each movement as a group between 5 to 5 na lang, okay? Para hindi masyadong mahirap. And make sure that each participant, okay, ay identified. Makikita yung mga pangalan, sino yung mga nagpe-perform na yan. Okay? And like I mentioned a while ago, all those videos that you will be performing will be submitted, okay, via email. Now, please listen carefully. Huwag nyo pong isasubmit, okay, ang videos using Google Drive. Kasi there are cases na naghahanap ng version ang Google Drive in order for me to be able to play, okay, your video. Another thing is that isasend nyo nga sa akin yung link. Wala naman akong access. Hindi nyo binigay yung access sa akin. So, hindi ko rin siya mapapanood. Okay? So, paano po ang gagawin kapag malaki ang file? Which will be, okay? Magkano na mangyayari? Pag sinend nyo sa email, sasabihin, your file is too big or too large. Required ko, okay? All those videos must be uploaded to a YouTube account, to your YouTube account. Okay? At yung link ng YouTube na yun ang isisend nyo sa email. Do not forget, please, never forget to include your name or names and section. Okay? Names and section. Kayong mga nasa asynchronous or online classes, is a total of 25 to 28 sections. So, ang hirap hahanapin kung hindi nyo ilalagay po ang mga section ninyo. So, nagkakaintindihan po tayo dyan, ha? Okay, so, please do not forget your section. Okay, hindi na kinakailangan yung major, yung section lang. Next, like I said, all quizzes via Google Form. Okay, sasagot kayo dyan. Now, given an opportunity, okay, some or most of you I might require you to attend, okay, a face-to-face meeting with me, okay, siguro mga bandang mid-May bago tayo magano. So, for you to be able to perform live face-to-face yung mga basic kick and the modified kick. So, ano ba yung mga basic kicks? Okay? So you have your basic kicks, modified kicks, and the basic self-defense. I will be showing you a video of how to perform those as time goes on, as part of our lesson. Okay? So you can read it, practice it, and then video yourself performing it. So I'm creating this video para hindi naman kayo na parang naliligo na, magkaklase pa ba kami sa PE? Kasi anong petsa na? Asynchronous classes, okay? Magsisimula po ako mag-upload ng mga videos, lesson, okay? Starting April 1. Okay? Tapusin lang muna natin tong March. Okay? I'm just gonna finish, okay, grading the first batch, okay, ng mga na-handle ko. A total of 15 sections. So, asynchronous kayo. Wala namang tong attendance talaga. I need you to watch each video lesson, answer each questions via Google Link, follow my instruction, upload it sa YouTube, and then yung link ang isisend. Huwag pong gagamit or magsisend ng Google Drive, okay, to send your video. Nagkakaliwanagan tayo dyan, ha? Next, what else? If you have concern, okay, you could see me here in MPC. I'm always here mostly in the morning. Or kaya, pag nakikita nyo may nagmamartial, ako lang naman nagtuturo martial arts dito, taekwondo. Pag may nakikita kayo doon, puntahan nyo ako doon. Pag medyo nag-break na kami doon, sir, ako po, ganito, ganyan, may concern. Then, ischedule kita kung kailan tayo mag-meet or kung kailan kita pwede kausapin kung hindi pa ako available at that time. Okay, so may concern. I already posted dun sa GC kung sino man sa inyo ang may nag-aral na or may rank na sa taekwondo, kayo ay nagta-taekwondo na, nag-compete kayo as a taekwondo before, okay? Present to me, okay, a certificate or a proof na kayo ay naging estudyante. Kahit anong level kayo, basta importante nakapag-aral kayo ng taekwondo, kahit papano, kahit basic lang. Show me proof, okay? Dalhin nyo lang po sa akin dito sa room ELX 202. Again, ELX 202. This is above the mechanical shop. Okay, mechanical technology. So, ano pa ba? Okay, so, I'm just making this video para hindi naman kayo mag-worry. So, hope to see you soon. Okay, remember, April 1, okay, starting of our asynchronous classes, meaning I will be uploading lessons. Okay? May mga GC kayo, I requested your representative to create a GC. But, hindi na po kinakailangan i-add ako. Kasi, yung mga outputs ninyo, papasok naman siya sa Google Drive ko, sa Google Forms, sa email na isasubmit. Okay? So, no need for you to add me in your GC. At sila po, yung mga representative ninyo, ang magpo-post sa GC ninyo ng mga videos na ibibigay ko. So with that, again, I'm Mr. Virgilio Barcena or Sir Dec. See you soon, okay, for PathFit 4, okay, martial arts, taekwondo as a sport. Bye for now.